There was that one scene between Shahid and me. जब हमने वो scene shoot किया था, उसके अगले दिन जब मैं set पे आई थी, he actually showed me the rushes of the scene and he said, "Are you okay with this? Are you comfortable? Is there anything you're not comfortable with?"
Dude, like wow, Kabir Singh. and now of course again this crazy Mr. Vanga. One thing about Mr. Vanga we should know जो शायद popularly लोगों को नहीं पता है क्योंकि ज्यादा hate culture चल रहा है from feminists.
Yes.
दूसरे लोगों को क्या मूवी है? तो एक पता नहीं.
Everybody is divided on it. Yeah.
Greatness में इतना black and white चल रहा है कि मुझे नाम उनका black and white रखना है. Mr. Vanga you should be called Mr. Black and White. What should we know about him आपकी तरफ से?
So the one thing is. Unfortunately, जो उनकी image बना दी है, he's not like that. At least the experience I've had. I'm talking purely out of personal experience.
आपने क्या देखा और observe किया?
He's very calm.
जी.
At least I've seen him very, very calm when he's directing. And secondly, he's actually very careful about how the other person's feeling.
जी.
And this is something that I recently read that Tripti gave in her interview as well.
जी.
And this I'm telling you from my personal experience also. There was that one scene between Shahid and me. जब हमने वो सीन शूट किया था उसके अगले दिन जब मैं सेट पे आई थी he actually showed me the rushes of the scene and he said, "Are you okay with this? Are you comfortable? Is there anything you're not comfortable with?" And he didn't have to do that. He genuinely didn't have to do that.
क्योंकि सीन हो गया,
सीन हो गया and I didn't say anything. I'm not in a position where I would say कि मुझे सीन दिखाओ, मुझे देखना है, इससे पहले मैं अप्रूव करूंगी. I'm not in that position. I don't think actors should be in that position anyway. But he came and he did that. He didn't have to do it. So I think somewhere my memory, my impression, my image of Sandeep sir is that. Apart from that, animal कैसे बनाई, क्या किया, मतलब ये बोला. I don't want to get into that only.
नहीं, या शाहिद कुछ भी बोलो. We both love chocolate and he was the original chocolate boy.
He was.
And I think there's nobody who's not had a little crush on him.
Of course, Ishq Vishk.
Oh my god.
I mean, when Ishq Vishk came out, I still remember हमने छुप के देखी थी. It was such. We were kids at that time. I don't want to say it like, but we were children, not allowed to watch. I was in my 4th standard or something, but it was such a cute film. It was such a cute film.
And then did वो movie जिसने उनकी life बदल दी.
It was like his second.
No, I think it was rebirth for him. Not even of course, second life in profession. Rebirth.
Yeah.
आपके लिए वो उनको face करना, उनका वो प्यार देखना आपके लिए क्या था वो? And tell us something about Shahid as well. है ना?
So Shahid is a very to the point person. हाँ. He is very like, this is work and this is what I have to do. Apart from that, I think there is a lot of simplicity in Shahid that probably doesn't come across because he doesn't open himself up to the media that much.
He looks too stylish to look simple.
Yeah. No, but otherwise, he's a very like soft and simple person and all. And at no point made me feel that I'm first time working with him. No, he didn't do any of that. So I think the moment somebody behaves humble, normal, like that, I keep saying about AB as well. The moment somebody behaves like that, I'm sold. I'm like, okay, you're a great person. Yeah.
But कभी ऐसी की कोई याद है जो अभी भी दिल में लेके चलते हो जब सोचते हो या मूवी के बाद कोई रिएक्शन आई?
I think जो मेरी सबसे पहली याद है जब मैं शूट कर रही थी तब I swear to God and I smiled to myself when I say it. I thought this was going to be any other random film which would come and go. And I'm doing it for the heck of it. I swear I thought like that. And it's changed my career. It really has. So sometimes when I think, and the worst is I remember when I met Sandeep sir, I asked him so many times, "Sir, what do you want me to prep? You want me to read something, watch something?" These are my first 3 questions. कि prep क्या चाहिए? कुछ देखना है, पढ़ना है इस character को लेके. He said, "No, it's okay. It's fine."
wheelchair पे आ जाओ.
I was like, "Reading करनी है." He's like, "No, you don't need to do reading. It's okay." I'm sitting and thinking, I'm like, करना क्या है? मतलब, am I doing it fine? Am I doing okay? Like, is there something wrong?
Radio City, रग रग में दौड़े City.